Welcome, creators and entrepreneurs. Ready to transform your digital creations into a thriving business? You're in the right spot. Today, we're diving into how to sell digital products on MooCommerce. We'll cover everything from setup to sales. Now let's get started. To add a digital product, go to your MooCommerce dashboard and navigate to Products, then Add New. Start by giving your product a name and a detailed description. Visuals and descriptions are key for digital products since customers can't physically touch the product. Scroll down to the Product Data section. Change the product type from Simple Product to Downloadable. This indicates that your product isn't a physical item. Now, upload your digital file. You may enter the URL or path where the file is hosted. This could be an ebook, a music file, software, or any other format your product requires. Pricing is next. Set a price for your product. You can also offer a sale price and schedule it for specific dates. In the Inventory tab, you can manage stock levels even for digital products, which is useful for limited edition digital art or exclusive content. In the Advanced tab, you may also add a purchase note to make it more personalized for your customers. And enable reviews for your digital products. Add some high-quality images or previews of your digital product. Even though it's digital, visuals help increase sales. Once you're satisfied with your product listing, click Publish to make your digital product live on your store. And that's it. You successfully listed your digital product on MooCommerce. Experiment with different marketing strategies to attract customers and boost sales. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss our tips on making the most of your online store. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.